Hello there, it's Kyle Bueller here with the week 3 presentation of my questions from last week's discussion, and after reviewing them with my partner and after doing the reading, well, here are my developed answers. The first one I have here is, as I prepare myself to learn and study, what guidelines should I follow to achieve my purpose as a teacher? I learned that I could follow mission statements and mission objectives outlined by future employers. Also, I could set up personal expectations for myself. Two great examples that my companion gave me, and another idea was following the Savior's teaching example in the scriptures. Additionally, my second question was, how can I be sure that what I am doing now is sufficient to meet my and the students' needs? First, I learned that you can learn something new every day and incorporate it during the days after that. Trying to learn something new has been something that everybody really wants to do, but it's something tough if you don't have a conscious effort of trying to accomplish that goal, which is something that I'm going to try to focus on during this semester. Second, trying to continue to do research and gather information that is changing, especially in the field, when if there's new techniques because I'm doing music education, for teaching music, and new ideas that I can apply, I will be aware of that and follow the community to be able to share that with my students. And lastly was use constant prayer. In Doctrine and Covenants 9 verse 8 is when the Lord is talking to Oliver Cowdery about why he needs to ask and ponder within his heart what he should do, and then ask if it was the right thing to do, and he'd feel that would burn inside him. And of course, Moroni in his last chapter, that we'll be able to know all things by the Spirit, and we'll get the Spirit by prayer. And my last question was, how can I help a student or students that seem to understand at a slower pace than others? First of all, patience is a great idea that I learned, and explaining things again in different ways. Finding students' way of learning, getting help from others with training, or even parents of particular students. That's something very important, because some people learn in different ways, and being able to have that kind of one-on-one time with them will help identify those kind of needs, and talking with their parents if the situation becomes necessary, and then setting specific goals with those students and with myself. And that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching my presentation.